And then susunod. And then next. Okay, sige po.
I have been teaching college for 3 years, so just to give the background. So when I saw the film, it was scary, and then eventually, it looks like the things I learned in high school, the Filipino, yung mga book report. And then, kasi, syempre kay Nick Joaquin siya, The House of Sapote. So, nung bata kami, nag-aaral kami ng mga ganun, hindi naman censored yung pinabasa namin books. It was also about characters, and then there are also values and what is happening in society. Pero it's not as strong until you go out there in society and experience it. I noticed yung characters, lahat sila may pinaglalaban. So sa atin, feel natin sino masama, sino hindi, pero lahat sila may pinaglalaban. But yung pinaka-challenge din is yung hindi nila pag-agree or conflict, nagiging violence. Katulad nila, siya yung, you can say she's the most vulnerable women, tapos mas bata, gano'n. Eventually, gusto niyang patayin yung tatay niya, di ba? So, na-experience natin dito, sa society, hindi tayo lahat maalam kung ano yung how do we treat other people. So, I noticed this show really show that character development. So, maraming matututunan dyan. Sa experience namin as woman, di ba dati, hindi naman tayo, yung mga babae na nakakapagboto. Tapos, syempre, kung ano man trato ng lalaki sa babae, kung hindi natin alam, yan yung parang sinila, nandun pa siya sa love na phase. Tapos, syempre, kung nakapag-aral siya, na magiging doktor siya, nakikita niya na, hindi pala maganda to. Diba? So, may choice siya ngayon na piliin pa rin niya is to stay with the love before, or to act on it na magiging violent siya. In a way, ginaya din niya yung papa niya. So, the good thing about this show is, it shows really na each character has a development, and tayo dapat ay we should be conscious kung how what we learn will affect how we treat others. So